Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I'm going to show our teachers and students, those who are playing football with together. Our teachers are playing football against our key students. It is our key teacher and students, those who are playing football. Actually, they know how to playing football and how to play cricket. Today, they are only playing football, not cricket. The students. Oh, what is your name?
My name is
Yeah, Murad. What are you doing now? I'm playing.
Yes.
I'm playing football. I'm playing football. Very good. This is our key students and teachers. This is our key teachers. He is playing football, and they are trying to level pace to give the goal, but there is no goal here. It's a very amazing. So thank you for watching this video. Actually, I'm showing the reality and real situation how to they play football and to get benefit. Actually, madrasa students and teachers are always stuck in their duty. They don't have enough time to remove their monotonous. So it is one kind of experience to remove their monotonous, and they can remove their monotonous and they get pleasure and they be happy to play football and game here. So thank you watching this video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.